looks like it's gonna rain again. So it was really dry, and man, you can't, Mother Nature does its own thing, so it's definitely hard to predict what we should get done, and we had a lot of stuff going on at one time, so hoping to dry this out, hoping it doesn't rain. It's gonna rain again, but they're talking 2 days. We're hoping for not 2 days. We're hoping this will be the last day. So we've been waiting for this water to dry up so we can level it. So we're gonna have a kind of a natural slope from here going down, and then the round patio is gonna be all flat, obviously. So we're gonna have to, like, looks like, I want to say like 2-3 inches drop, and then down here, which is gonna collect, you know, the rain, but then we're digging out like a trench over there just to remove all the water, throw some like drainage tile in there so water drains out. And we're gonna build this up a little bit too, so it should drain that way. But anyways, just trying to get this water out, get it leveled. So essentially we're gonna set this leveler that we have over here. Let's see, about this DeWalt leveler. Just set this on this main level here, and then actually we can do it anywhere because it self-levels. So just shine and put a board out there, make sure all the levels of that circle are, you know, the same height from here. Alright, so we laid our first layer, about 2-3 inches of gravel. We're going to fill up the rest, try to make a 6-inch layer of gravel. And then compact, we already compacted it down with 3 inches on there, and then we'll just do it again once we get six inches on there. So, I'll show you what this little compactor can do. Make a straight line of humps right down the middle, and then we can kind of put lumps on each side of it. Trying a new way of leveling here.
picked up the concrete sand. Might have went a little overboard. So we ended up going with this sand because we just kind of looked around the internet and everybody said not to use masonry sand because it's too fine. This stuff's pretty fine, but there's some different. I guess it seems pretty coarse, but I don't know. That's what we're going with. Oh. It's going. Slowly but surely. Alright, we got done laying our base layer. Right here. Got it all pretty much level. We have a slope here. We're doing a ½ inch drop for every 8 foot. And then it's our flat circular area. So we use the, what's the pounder thing called? Compactor. That compactor, we showed you some of that demonstration earlier. So we compacted it all the same level pretty much with this long 2x6 over here. It's how level, we just rotated it around. Got everything within a ½ inch. So we think that's good. Gonna lay our sand, screed it. We measured from that stake over there and that stake over there to their center, so we knew where it was. And this is our center line too. We use for setting up our walkway to the center of the circle. So, all right. One more time. I feel like you're not pushing down or something.
I am.
Touch and then drop. No, can't slide it.
You just knocked it over a little bit.
That's fine. You can pound stuff around, so this one looks a little beat up.
Does it matter?
Not really.
They look nice. I mean, they're gonna.
You got all 8 of them?
I don't think so.
Do you?
That one?
I don't know what the fuck.
Why? What happened?
They look wide. Don't they?
That one looks good.
Oh, yeah, the wide ones are wide.
Let's just screed down so we can do another round, and then we'll go that way too. We might have to move the bars.
Alright.
Alright, I dropped off. So see, like right there, short in there. Yeah, over there. Don't get any other crap at the bottom. We just need sand only. It's fine if you grab on top and it falls back in. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, spread it out evenly.
Can I just throw it? That's a lot easier.
Yeah, probably. Just make sure you're not grabbing big chunks of rock. If you see big rock, get rid of it. Alright. Looks terrible. Are you planning on working all night tonight, or what's the deal?
I mean, we can only work at night because it's hot and shit.
I'm asking you.
Not all night.
What's the time frame?
This 7:30.
And ask what time it was. Ask what the time frame you wanted to work.
Until I get tired.
Like
Oh my
11?
god. 11? Toby's in for 11? Alright, we started laying some pavers because it finally cooled down in Texas. It's not 100 damn degrees. So we started screeding the sand, and we're using cement sand. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 courses done. And then to screed, we're using 3/4 inch PVC pipe. Alright, we got the circle laid, and the dogs were out here, and of course jacked up a bunch of them, but we're probably going to end up taking that last row out anyways and redoing it, because once our path gets to there, we want to like take that last out, draw a mark, and then cut the pavers, so that shouldn't bother too much. So right now I'm creating the pattern for our walkway, and it's called like Menards, something like that. I'd never heard of it, but anyways, I'll show you on my phone here. Actually, I'll do a little recording for you guys. Where do you do that at? I don't know if you could do that, but you can go to hit record on your, it'll do 3, 2, 1, and then you can swipe up. Then I can show you exactly what I'm looking at. So that's the pattern I'm going off of. So I'm starting from the lower left corner here, which is going to be over here. I'm going to start from there, work myself that way, because you can see the highlighted black part here is what I'm going to go as the pattern. So you can see there's one there, one there, one there, and then it just keeps repeating itself throughout the whole thing, and then you just fill in where you have to. So that's the plan. So I think what I'm going to do is just screed one side, set it up on this side, and then move it over, so then I can just screed, grab, drop, go that route. So alright, I'm going to grab some sand. Finished the patio path, made it all the way down here, met up with the circle, and we're using the last course in the circle to draw a mark on the path, and then we'll cut those with the saw. So essentially we're having sienna in the middle and then gray on the outline. So just about done. Got to put the edgers on to hold the pavers in place. Get the steel nails that they say rust to hold it in place better, so still gotta do that. Alright, here are the edgers we put along the path and around the entire circle to hold everything in place. And then this is kind of our finished product of part 1 of a 2-part series. So this is what we want it to look like. Obviously there will be some differences, but we want the fireplace, the retaining wall, and seating area. So that'll be in part 2. if you're interested in any of the tools that we used, I did put affiliate links in the description, so we do get a percentage if you happen to go in and buy something. So thank you for that if you do, and hopefully you'll see that part 2.